Hello friends, I'm going to show you how to repair this lock, because most of time people is not using long time and this pin got rusty. The locking pin, it's getting rusty, so reason it doesn't want to move. So how you guys can clean it and make it done yourself, I'm going to show you. Client, he told me he has the key but he cannot turn the lock because inside there is a retainer pin and it's jammed. So I'm going to show you how you can solve it. So first of all, take the screwdriver and just take off this. Okay, so once you take off just number one, then you take off number two, then once in the, so you move, try to move, and you take off number three. So this is the number three part, so it goes here. Once number three, so number four, and now the final part is barrel, because this pin is got rusty. This pin is completely got rusty. Reason you cannot move because the key doesn't want to move, because this is the things is not moving. So you need to take off these things and clean it and fix it back. That's all. So to take off this barrel, what you have to do, you have to drill it small next to the retainer pin here, and if you can see, this is the point you need to pull it. So first of all, make a small drill, and once you make a small drill, so you just put something very narrow things so you can pull the pin. So I already drill it, so if you pull, so this pin is coming out. So once pin this coming out, once this pin is coming out, then you put the key inside and just little bit move, and if you move it, and it's coming out. So once your barrel is came out, then you punch by something, it's a punch plier or anything, just punch, and once you punch this point and it will come out. Okay, so once it's came out, then you clean it properly, clean this part, put the CRC and make it clean. Once you clean, just fix it, put it back again. Okay, put it back properly. Okay, put it back properly and insert the barrel. See, so when you turn clockwise and the retainer pin is coming up, so it's locked, not moving. So when you clockwise other way, and it is label. So next is you have to put it back the pin. Okay, you have to put the pin. So it is gone inside. The next part is this. Put it back, insert the barrel. Okay, so turn it clockwise the key, and it's locked now. Take off the key, put it back this part, and finally the screw, tight it. Now see, the lock is locked. So when you clockwise turn to right, and it's open. Here you go. That's all. Open, clockwise left, it's close. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye, take care.